What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive and should drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that we are forming the retracement wave, and the retracement usually should have a shape of simple zigzag, and we have this movement to the downside as our A wave, this surge in price as our B wave, and for now we are forming the C wave. And as you can see from this point, I've told you that most likely we have to go lower and hit some lower targets, and we are on the way to hit these targets. And I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis in just several minutes, and I also show you how I identified these levels. But for now, let's continue with the fundamentals news of this company. And you all know that this company is producing and selling the electric vehicle technologies. And for now, this company has the total market cap of $79.7 billion. They have a revenue of $4.35 million with a negative revenue growth of 13.38%. They also have a negative net income of $1.85 billion, but they have very strong cash position of about $4.8 billion. And from the financial standpoint, this company is very stable. And the only concern about this company for now is their ability to deliver all their vehicles that they should deliver by the end of this year. And let me show you their official website. We don't have any latest news related to their deliveries or some numbers that might give more steam in order to hit higher targets. The latest news was made on November 15th, and that's it. And let me show you this article. We are on CCIV Tech, and this article was published on December the 3rd, and it's titled, "Will Lucid Group meet its year-end target of delivering 520 EVs?" And let me quote you this. As per latest tally, Lucid Group has around 13,000 confirmed reservations for the Air EV. But this number is a little bit outdated. Mr. Rawlinson confirmed that they have 17,000 confirmed reservations. So, the company plans to manufacture 520 units in 2021, ramping up its production cadence to 20,000 units in 2022 and 49,000 units in 2023. Crucially, 2023 would also see the launch of the Lucid Gravity SUV. Moreover, overseas shipments are also expected to commence next year. Bear in mind that companies do face teething problems as they ramp up production. While some require production line adjustments, others can be rectified fairly quickly. In recent days, some customers who had pre-ordered the Dream Edition Air EV faced inexplicable delays. This is to be expected. Nonetheless, depending upon the severity of the hold-up, Lucid Group's ability to meet its overall 2021 delivery commitment might be affected. And Mr. Rawlinson also had identified the supply chain constraints as a threat to target to deliver their 20,000 units in 2022. So we have some doubts about their ability to deliver these cars, but we have recent picture from Lucid Motors official Twitter page, and as you can see right here, you can see 3 rows by 17 cars, about 51 cars if we can count it correct. And another picture is right here from Bear's workshop, and we have about 80 cars on this picture. And let me show you this. We are on official Twitter of Lucid Motors, and we have this picture. As you can see, we can count about 51 vehicles on this picture. Another picture from the Lucid Motors official Twitter as well is this one. And we have probably the same picture, or probably another picture with 2 or maybe 3 rows behind this car. We also might have one more row of cars that about to be delivered. And the third picture from Bear's Workshop Twitter page, and we have about 80 cars right here. But let me show you that it is exactly the same location. First of all, right here you can see that we have the electricity lines right here with these huge poles. And let me show you that we have the same poles with the electricity line right here. And also we have some small barns, and let me show you right here. We also have the same barns at this picture. This means all of these three pictures are made at the same exact location. And this means we don't have much cars that should be delivered from this place. So, and this means a lot of investors might argue that Lucid couldn't reach their goal to deliver 520 vehicles by the end of this year. And this means we have some negative pressure on the price of their stock. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, from my previous video, from this point we went lower for about 20%. Huge decrease in price already. We hit the 0.618 Fibonacci extension level, and this is the extension level of the A wave projected from the B point. And right here we have a decent bounce to the upside. And don't get me wrong guys, I am very bullish on Lucid Group, but for now we still have more bearish pressure and we might hit lower targets, and these targets are following. About $41.93, this range, and it is 0.786 Fibonacci extension level from the A wave, and it is a confluence with 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level from the bottom to the top. Next one is the golden pocket, statistically the most probable level of trend reversal, and it is the range in between $35.82 and $37.09, and it is a confluence level with 1-to-1 extension, and it is a price point of $37.71. So the entire range in between these levels might be your accumulation point, and from this point we have very good chances to have at least a bounce. So I have to add to my analysis some overall negative factors. We all saw on Thursday and on Friday that the market turned red, and this means we have more bearish pressure, and this pressure was made by potentially OMICRON variant or the tapering process. And this means we have to be cautious with our accumulation levels. And don't get me wrong guys, we might break even 0.65 Fibonacci retracement level and hit lower price points. But so far these two levels are our main accumulation points, and if you want to invest in this company and if you want to enter your position with this company, you can start to accumulate your position on these two levels. And I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!